Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. La cocina de Valeria. We're gonna do a chocolate Christmas tree with 2 ingredients, Nutella and puff pastry.
Awesome!
We're gonna unroll the puff pastry. Now we're gonna draw 2 Christmas trees the same size. You need a knife and a grown-up to help with it. We're gonna fill 1 tray with Nutella and put the other one over that one. Now we're going to put this tree on top of the chocolate. Let's draw some lines. Now we're going to twist each line. Now we're gonna spread a little bit of egg on the tree for it not to burn.
Super genius!
Now the Christmas tree is done. You can use anything to decorate it. We're gonna decorate ours with Smarties and icing sugar. Now you need some help from a grown-up to put it in the oven for 12 minutes.
Alright!
Our Christmas tree is finished. I hope you like this recipe. It's yummy. So yummy. If you do this recipe, share with me on Instagram. Bye. See you next video. Goodbye.